So basically, before start of the class, I asked some of you saying what all topic we want to learn today. Two of you told that we want to talk about financial literacy. That is one topic. One of you told that you want to learn about converting fraction to decimal. I call it chicken and egg. Okay. Some of you said that we want to learn tic-tac-toe. So tic-tac-toe is something that we'll do every day. So we don't have to learn it specially, right? In the last class we saw a flavor of it. Every math you do, every time you have to multiply, divide, you will end up doing tic-tac-toe. So we are not going to spend a lot of energy doing tic-tac-toe separately, but then we'll keep on playing with it. So there are two topics primarily. And there was one more topic where Aditi said that she would want to say how to add millions. That is something that we have learned a little bit. We can learn a little bit more about it. So let's first start with the easiest part of it, which is adding millions. Okay? Adding millions. Adding millions is like adding bananas. I have 1 million, I have one banana, somebody gives me 2 more bananas. Now I have 3 bananas. I have 1 million, somebody gives me 2 more million. I have 3 millions now. Yep. I had 20 millions. Somebody gave me 5 more million.
25 million.
I have 25 million. I don't need to work. I don't need to teach you guys. No, I'm just kidding. Yep. Yeah, Aditi, you had a question.
Adding millions is like this: 7,755,499. 499.
Correct. So I started with the easier part of it, okay? So you guys are much more intelligent than me. You guys think about complex problems. I am not very intelligent. I'm a very simple guy. I look at simple things first and then add more complexity to it so that it becomes a complete knowledge. So as I said, simple. Yes, Salni, I can read adding millions. Okay. Anything else you want to share, Salni? No? Okay. All right. So, yeah, somebody's saying something.
I kind of clicked on it while I was clicking the
Okay,
emoji.
that's fine. That's okay. So now, as I said, millions are like bananas. You have 10 millions, you have 10 bananas, you ate 2 of them. You had 10 millions, you kind of spent 2 millions. You had 10 millions, you spent 2 millions. So like 10 bananas, you ate 2 bananas, you had 10 millions, you spent 2 millions. Now you have 8 bananas or 8 millions. That is the easier part of it. Now, if you guys remember, we talked about power of 10 in one of the classes. This is 10. You multiply this by 1, it's 10. You multiply 10 with a 10, becomes 100. You multiply 100 with a 10, becomes 1000. You multiply 1000 with a 10, becomes 10,000. You multiply 10,000 with a 10, becomes 100,000. You multiply 100,000 with a 10, becomes 1 million. So this is what we meant by 1 million. Meaning a number which has a 1 in the beginning and 6 zeros following it. Okay? So if you look at this number, 1 million has only a 1 followed by 6 zeros on the right hand side.
It's 10 by 6.
Keep that aside. Look at what I'm saying here. Not 10 by 6, it's 10 to the power 6. Okay? But anyways, I'll keep that aside for now. Okay? That's a separate discussion for now. So, when I say 1 million, what I'm saying is a number 1 followed by 6 zeros. If I say 6 million, I have a 6 followed by 6 zeros. Yeah? So in the millions place, I have that number which tells how many millions I do have. Yeah? Everybody with me so far? Yeah? Now, I want to say I had 6 millions, I got $100 more.
6 million and 100.
Yeah, that's what it became. I got $5,000 more. So I will put 5 in the thousands place. I got 200,000 more. 100,000 place is here. I'll put a 2 here. So basically, these are the places. Now look at these numbers more carefully. Everybody pay attention here, okay? You, same thing. Everybody, Nate, you also. I have not seen your homework yet. Did you do homework?
I'm almost done.
Huh? Almost done? When? Almost?
I have 2 more problems.
Okay, you finish it, show it to your parents, then send it to me, okay? Everybody has to do homework. Now look at this one. Let me put zeros here. This is units place. This is unit. Tens place. Hundreds place. And let me just write one character. Hundreds place. Thousand place. 10,000 place. 100,000 place. Million place. 10 million place. 100 million place. Billion. 10 billion. And it will go on. Yeah. Now, if you have to write 20, 20, 2 and T, 20. Yeah. So 20. You have to write 26. 20 and 6. 6 in the unit place. Somebody says 5,000. 5,000. So what is the 1,000 place? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1,000 place you will write 5. Somebody says write 5,025. 5,020 and 5. 5,000 tens place you write 2 becomes 20 and put a 5 here becomes 5,025. Similarly, now if I say write 7,002,045, who all can write it? 7,002,045. Who all can write it? Write it. 7,002,045.
7 million what?
7,002,045.
Wait, 7 million 2,000.
And 45.
Wait, what's the number again? 7 million 2,045.
Wait, 7,002,045.
Yes.
Okay.
Yug, what are you doing? Write 7,002,045. That is the money you are going to ask daddy for.
That's a big number. What was the
Right.
number again?
7,002,045.
Do we just write 7 and then M?
7,002,045. Wonderful. No M. Write it like a number. Yeah. Who has written already? Yeah, this.
2,000.
45.
7.
7,002,045. Okay.
I got it. What's the number? 7,245.
7,002,045. Yep. Who was typing it on the screen? Let's see. Sami, you're not able to speak better today? You're able to speak? Yeah.
I can.
I can hear you. Okay. No, I was checking what is happening with the kids here today. Okay. Everybody wrote it now. So this was not even a valid question. Okay. Everybody knows it. Show me your number. 7 million. Right, clearly. Where is 7?
That's 7.
2025. Why is it as you? So count it like this. So now look at this. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. It became 70 million. Okay? One extra zero. So again, when I said this, right, it was very easy. If you know this sequence, you just had to put the right thing. 7,245. That's what I said, right? Where is the million place? Million is here. I'll put a 7. 2,000. Where is my 1,000 place? Here. 2,000. 40, which has 45. So 4 tens and 5. All the other places I'll just put a 0. So here goes a 0, here goes a 0, here goes a 0. Done. If you know the sequence, unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, and goes on. So if you know the sequence, you just have to put the numbers. Now let's do it this way, okay? Now, if I say, yeah.
We didn't do table.
What is that?
We didn't do table.
We'll do that. We'll do that. So, yeah, Yaditi.
Can you give us harder ones so that way we can be smarter?
You guys are already smart, don't worry. Everybody is smart here, okay? Everybody is smarter than me for sure. I was never as smart as you guys when I was your age. Trust me, I'm not kidding. Okay, so but yeah, coming back to what I'm trying to teach, okay? This was just one number. Now, if somebody says, okay, everybody here, you pay attention to me. I said everybody is smarter. Obviously, you guys are all smart, but today I'm looking much smarter than everybody else. You have to look at me, okay? I'm just kidding. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you have to add, let's say two numbers, 8,200,066, 8,600,000 and 66, and 12 million 5,064. If I say add these two numbers, okay? So you don't have to do it. I'm just showing you guys, okay? 8,600,000 and 66, 12,005,064. If I have to add two numbers, what I will do? I have this thing written here. I will use this as a table, okay? Now, let's look at 8,600,000. 8 million, where is the million? Here. I'll write 8. 600,000. So this is 100,000. So if I write 6 here, it becomes 600,000. Then 66. That means 6 here and 6 here. First number is gone. Second number is 12,005,064. 12 million meaning 1 is 10 million plus 2 million. So 10 million is here. So I write 1 here becomes 1 million and write 2 here becomes 12 million. 5,000. Where is 1,000? 5,000 here. 64. Now in all the blank places I will put a 0. All the blank places I will put a 0. Simple addition.
Should I add it?
Not needed actually. I mean you guys can do it later on.
I already started.
You already know how to do addition, right? See, the problem is when you guys were talking about adding millions, it might look a big deal, but it is not. It is all about knowing the sequence, the unit place values. Prepare that as a table, and then just write number just against those places. Now you can just add them. Yeah.
Should I tell you what I got to add them?
As you know, I'm not much interested in answers. We'll focus on the process part of it. How do you learn it? Yeah, I'll come to that. Yeah. So now, if somebody says add 4 numbers which are in millions. So,
Plus or minus?
huh?
Is that plus or minus?
I said plus, add. This is not minus. There's
No,
nothing.
he saw it.
This one?
Yeah.
This is it. So basically what I'm saying is, when you have to deal with big numbers, look at making things easier, simpler, and this becomes your guiding principle. Always when you're dealing with bigger numbers, you can just break it into smaller pieces, be mindful of the place values and plug them in, and becomes much easier. Okay, let's say even if you have 4 more millions to add, you can just keep writing it down, and for the sake of simplicity you can draw vertical lines so that you don't get confused with each other, and then do normal addition. That's it. So adding million or subtracting millions would be fun if you do that in a more organized manner.
This is the answer.
I don't care. So when I say don't care, right, I mean, I'm not trying to be rude. What I'm trying to tell you guys is, I don't care about the answer because I'm more concerned about the process, how you do it. If you write it correct, if you sequence it in a proper way, if you keep enough distance, there's a very thin chance of you going wrong. Okay? Yeah? Everybody agrees? So write it clearly, do that in a more organized way, it'll be fun, it'll be easy. So for each one of you, it might sometimes sound that okay, you are talking about complex things, that means you are smart. But you know what? When you talk about simple things, you get smarter. So talk about things, simple things, look at making things simpler. So that is about adding millions. I'm not going deeper into it because I know each one of you know how to add, subtract. If you write it properly, adding, subtracting would not be a big deal. Agree?
Yeah.
Everybody is with me?
Yeah.
Alright. Next one is financial literacy.
What's that?
Tables.
Hmm?
I'm gonna do the tables.
You mean the
I like tables.
Okay. So there's an interruption in between. Some of you are saying that we forgot tables. We are supposed to do tables on Saturday. So let's do tables for next 10 minutes, then we'll come back to financial literacy, okay? Alright. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
We should not see, we have only 5 kids on the screen and 4 kids here in the classroom. So it will be most hardly 10 to 12 minute job. Okay. So who wants to start first? Akshara, you want to start first? Akshara, you want to start first? Tables? Yeah? Unmute yourself, beta.
yes.
Okay. So table till
9.
9. Okay. 6 8 ja.
So 36.
6 8 ja. 48.
Oh yeah, 48.
9 4 ja.
So
36.
it's the same.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay, beta. See, one thing here in this class, I can tell you guys, before end of this year, you all will be champion in table till 12, okay? And if you make a mistake, there is nothing wrong with it, okay? It's fine. This is part of our learning exercise, right? So don't worry about it, okay? Akshara, shall we continue?
Yes.
4 8 ja.
32.
32, very nice. 5 4 ja.
So 20.
Okay. 6 6 ja.
36.
Very nice. 8 4 ja.
8. 24.
8 4 ja 32. 8 3 ja 24. So okay. So we have to do a little bit of practice, but that's fine. It's okay. Making mistakes is okay. Yeah, I'll come to you. I'll come to you. No, don't keep doing that because that disturbs. Don't do that. I'll come to everybody. Okay. So now, so we have to spend 5 minutes daily. Everybody. Okay. Whether you know it, whether you forget it, whether you are champion, whether you're not a champion, doesn't matter. 5 minutes every day. Okay. So, and so next Saturday, so Akshara, let's make sure that by next Saturday till at least 8 we are solid. Okay, let's try that. Every day you have to spend 5 minutes. Okay, and better when you practice it, and when you are confident, catch hold of mommy, daddy, anybody. Okay, say okay, I have memorized table till 7. Ask me questions, and let's see if I'm making mistakes or not. Okay, and if you don't make mistakes, you can ask for candy. That's okay. If you like candy. All right, let's go to Sammy. Okay, so wait, Sammy. Somebody has been raising hand for some time in the classroom. Okay, Ishan. I'll come to you, Sammy. Okay. Okay, table till 9. 4 9 ja.
36.
6 8 ja.
48.
9 5 ja.
45.
6 8 ja.
48.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 9 ja.
80.
72.
Yeah, 72.
Okay. So you are getting better for sure. I can tell you it is at least 40% better than before. But we have to stay focused because math is about persistence. So keep spending those 5 minutes. And if you want to know what level I want you to get to, if you want to ask me questions, you can go ahead and ask me questions. I'll tell you.
It's actually about like the math. So like since I'm going to 6th grade,
Next year.
am I doing level 2?
Yeah, of course. So see, I can make you join level 2, I can make you in level 3 also. That's not a big deal. It's about how much you are enjoying, how solid you get, so that when you go to next level, you are the best in that group. If I just force you into any group and then you struggle, that will not be fun. So I want you to kind of get ready. Use this time, right? You're still in 5th grade, right? So you'll go to 6th grade next year. So level 2 is for 6th to 8th grade. So we still have time. I would say let's stay focused, learn things in a good way for next 5, 6, 7 months and be a champion in 5th grade. So when you go to level 2, we are among the best. Okay, that's our plan. Alright? But yeah, 5 minutes daily. I saw improvement today. I want to see more improvement in this class. Okay? Alright, let's go to Sammy. And you all will be given a chance to challenge your teacher also. You can ask me questions on the tables. Okay? Alright, let's see Sammy. Sammy, table till?
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 8 ja.
72.
12 5 ja.
60.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 7 ja.
84.
11 9 ja.
99.
12 9 ja.
108.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. But 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes of unproductive time every day, okay? Whenever you are getting bored, you're not able to decide what to do, tables. Okay, let's go to Nihan. Ready? Table till
12.
12. 6 8 ja.
48.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
84.
9 7 ja.
63.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 8 ja.
96.
6 6 ja.
48.
Good job. But again, 5 minutes daily, okay? I will not leave you guys for next 6 months. Yeah? Alright. So, Tasvik, table till
12.
12. 6 8 ja.
48.
12 9 ja.
108.
9 9 ja.
Wait, what?
9 9 ja.
81.
8 9 ja.
22.
6 9 ja.
54.
7 6 ja.
42.
4 9 ja.
36.
Good job. 5 minutes daily still. Yeah? Okay. And see now I want you guys to go to next level where you start feeling proud of what you have learned, okay? Just now if always catch hold of somebody in the family, say, okay, daddy, ask me table till 12. Let's see if I go wrong. Do it like a game. And that is when daddy will be confident, you'll be confident, and you will enjoy it, okay?
Can we get candy?
Once I have
It
it.
would be good, yeah.
If I have it. I don't have it right now. Okay.
He's giving it next month.
Yeah.
Once I get my salary, okay?
It's
Okay. Yeah.
Can I question you?
No, let me finish the class, then okay? Aditi, ready? Table till
25.
25. No.
20.
12. Table till 12 is what the goal is, okay? Never, I will never ever forget about Salini, okay? I will never forget about any of you, okay? Yeah. Aditi, table till 12 is okay?
And table.
Yeah? Okay. 6 8 ja.
48.
9 9 ja.
81.
11 9 ja.
99.
10 6 ja.
60.
7 6 ja.
66.
7 6 ja.
42.
42. 12 5 ja.
60.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 5 ja. Oh, you already said that. Okay. 12 7 ja.
7s are 84.
Very nice. 6 9 ja.
54.
Good job. Who's remaining on the screen? Salini. Salini always finds reason to fight with me, okay? Okay, table till 12. Okay, 6 9 ja. You're talking.
54.
Okay. 12 5 ja.
60.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 6 ja.
42.
Good job. Again, 5 minutes. Everybody, no matter how much you remember, okay? I'm not going to leave anybody. And again, as I said, start challenging your parents. Start challenging your siblings. Catch hold of anybody elder to you. Say, okay, fine, ask me table till 12. Ask me table till 11. Let's see if I go wrong. Let's see if I'm taking time. Nate, ready? Table till
4.
4. 4 8 ja.
29.
38. 4 8 ja 36.
4.
4 8 ja 32. Yeah. No, I did not hear myself correctly. Teacher has gone wrong. Yeah, he will test the teacher again. 3 9 ja.
26.
37. 2 9 ja.
18.
3 8 ja.
26.
24. So now it's not 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay? 10 minutes for you. Okay? I mean, see, it's not about, I'm not punishing you or not penalizing you. I'm just saying that, okay, we need to put more effort because we have to get faster. Yeah? And we have to get accurate. And Tasvik said teacher has gone wrong. So teacher will be tested after I talk to Yug. Okay, Yug, table till
5.
why 5?
10, I guess.
No guess. Math has no place for guess.
5.
5. Okay, 4 8 ja.
Sometimes it's
Wait, what did you say again?
4 8 ja.
32.
5 9 ja.
45.
4 9 ja.
40. 39.
36. So 10 minutes for you also. So I'm saying it on the video. Yug and Nihit have to spend 10 minutes memorizing the tables.
No.
And I will send a message to daddy, mommy as well. And see, I'm not complaining about you. Okay? My only goal is to make sure that everybody in my class walks with confidence when it comes to math.
Walk with confidence.
No making fun of things. You have more things to work on rather than focusing your energy on hands down. Rather than focusing your energy on things which are not important, focus on memorizing tables, okay? 4 9s are 39 is never going to be acceptable, okay? 39 will never ever come in table of 4. Okay, you want so who wants to test the teacher? Ishan wants to test. No. Whoever is not done good, they cannot ask. Even if you say wrong answers, you will say yes. Okay, one person on the screen, one person here. Ishan raise hand, okay. Okay, let's give to Tasvik and Ishan. 2 questions you can ask, 2 questions you can ask, okay.
Can I do it?
Yes,
too?
please. Yeah, okay, let's start with Salini. Yeah, Salini, go ahead. Test the teacher.
9 12s are
108,
8 8s are
64,
6 1s are
6,
6 4s are
24,
8 7s are
56,
9 9s are
81,
7 7s are
49.
Can I do the bigger ones?
Yes, please.
Okay. 21 7s are
20. I know table till 21. I can multiply it and tell you. That's fine. So yeah. 21 7 is 147. Yeah. Anyways, that's not part of the table, but yeah. Okay. Let's look at some of the kids who are wanting to ask me questions here in the classroom also, and then we'll get back to our
So
agenda.
you know table's still 20, right?
Table till 20. Yeah.
Yeah. 10 15.
10, 15, 15 10 are 150.
What? 150?
Yeah.
6 times 15?
90.
11 times 14.
154. Okay, Tasvik, your turn. Quick, before I, yeah.
Okay. 21 times 7.
21 times and 147.
Okay.
No, I know table till 20, but yeah, 21 times 7 is, I just did quick calculation, okay. Anyways, 2 more questions and then I'll start.
Okay, 19 times 11.
19 times 11, 209. Okay, done. Let's move on. So, even, yeah, Nihan, you want to test the teacher? Who wants to test the teacher? Okay, you guys, okay, Nihan, go ahead. Two questions and then I will get on to teaching you guys. Yeah,
on table 1. Until table 1.
table 20. Okay, you calm down, everybody. Yeah,
13 times 2.
26,
13 times 5.
65,
13 times 8.
104,
13 times 7.
91,
8 times 13.
104. Okay,
9 times
yeah, go ahead. Last question.
9 times 20. 9
180.
times 20. 9 times 22.
9 times 22, 178. No, 9 times 22. Okay, I was saying table till 20. 9 times 22, I will end up doing multiplication only. So 198 it will be. 196, sorry. 9 times 22, 198. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Aditi, everybody wants to test the teacher. Okay, 2 moments we will spend. No, you guys did not do a good job.
No, I haven't done yet.
I know, so next class. What is that?
I haven't done yet, can I?
What is that?
I haven't done yet, can I ask?
You asked the questions. You asked.
I didn't. I didn't ask yet.
Yeah, you did. No. So, okay. If you guys ask questions and if you continue asking for next 20 minutes, your class will get over without learning anything else. Yeah? So, okay. Aditi wants to ask the question and Akshara wanted to ask the question. Sami also wants to ask. Okay. 1 minute each, okay? 4 questions each, quickly, as quick as possible. Yeah.
There isn't my turn.
I'm sorry?
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
25 times 4.
100.
25 times 6.
150.
25 times 6.
160. 150. 150.
99 times 1.
99. Okay. So I think that is over. Sami, you want to ask? And
Yeah.
okay, one last.
I also know the table's 220.
Okay, wonderful. Let's see if Sami can prove me wrong. And if she does so, then I get the assignment for memorizing tables, okay?
Yes.
There is no crime in making mistakes. But if I make mistake, that is an opportunity to learn it again. Okay, yes, Sami, let's see.
19 times 19.
19 times 19, that is not part of the table. 19 times 10 is what we'll get to.
Oh. Okay then. 19 times 9.
171.
Okay. 18 times 7.
18 times 7, 136.
126.
126, yeah, sorry. So 18 and 19 is what I have to memorize, okay? Got it.
Okay. 16 times 4.
64.
Okay, and this is the last question. 15 times 19.
15 times 19,
Oh, sorry. 15 times 9.
135.
Okay.
So 18 and 19 is what I got from my students, okay? So I'll memorize it and make sure that you guys ask me questions on that and I fix it, okay? Anyways, that was the fun part of it. Let's get back to what we have to learn, okay? So, as I said, learning is a continuous process. If I make mistakes, I will learn. If you guys make mistakes, you will learn, okay? So nobody has to feel bad about it. Nobody has to laugh at anybody. It's just a learning exercise, okay? Only advantage, only difference is when I'm teaching you guys, I get paid. When I'm learning something, I don't have to pay anybody.
Yes, you do.
Okay, all right. So let's start. So we talked about tables. We did adding millions, and adding millions was a very simple thing. If you know the place value, you write it clearly and then align the numbers. Serious. Yog, Nate, both of you need to be serious. Sit properly, okay? So we talked about millions, adding millions. We talked about tables. And then next thing that we're going to learn is, we have 20 more minutes. So let's, next thing no, those things are not entertaining. Sit properly. Next thing that we're going to learn is called financial literacy. Financial literacy or finance literacy, whatever you call it. And I will always pronounce it the Indian way. You guys can pronounce it the way you have learned it. But it's the same thing. Financial literacy, what does it mean? What is meant by literacy?
Financial literacy means money.
Money? Yeah, anything relating to money. What is meant by literacy, first of all? Somebody being literate, somebody knowing how to read and write? Yeah? Yes, Ami?
That's what I was going to say too.
Okay. So when you say literacy, that means when people can read and write. When you add a word financial, what it means is anything to do with finance or money. So when people can read and write money. Now, if I take a $100 note, everybody can read it. Oh yeah, it's $100 note. If I take a $2 note, a $1 note, you can read it and say yeah. But that is not financial literacy. Yeah.
Financial literacy also has to do with bills.
Yes. So I'm coming to that. So allow me to speak for next 5-10 minutes. You'll be able to connect the dots. So yeah. Yeah, Neha, you want to say something? You're talking on mute.
There's what I know about financial literacy is there's two variable properties that you place in we could say yeah.
Okay. So let me build this like a concept. Okay. Now let's Hands down. What is that?
I was gonna say, what are we gonna learn next?
If you keep quiet, pay attention, you will learn a lot.
Okay.
And I'm serious, not joke. Okay? So if you are coming here for fun, you can get that fun by doing maths, by doing nothing else. Okay? So pay attention, and Nihit, you are not able to tell table till 4 also. Is that a good thing? No. And that is because you are not paying attention, you are not being serious about things. And if that continues, that is not a good thing for you, for me, for anybody, right? Your parents will be very sad about this fact that, oh, my son has still not learned things. And if you don't know tables, trust me, multiplication, division, everything will go for us. Okay? Pay attention to the class. Seriously, hands down. You're not doing any debate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so be serious, okay? Only 50 minutes, 55 minutes is what we are spending. If you cannot do justice with that, you are wasting time and money both. And the books are something that we worship, okay? So don't touch your feet with that. Yeah? Alright. So coming back to the class. Financial literacy is every day. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. No wasting of time, laughing, joking, cracking jokes, making fun of each other, pulling each other, okay? Okay, now I'll kick you out of the class if I see those mistakes again and again. I'm being very serious. You know what it means? Don't do that. Alright. So when you say financial literacy, it's about having the literacy or the ability to make decisions with finances. Now it comes about money. It talks about money. How do you manage money also? Look at the things. Every day, your parents earn money, right? Everybody's parents are working somewhere. Put it down, Salni. Put it down. So, you all know that your parents are working somewhere. When they are working, they earn something called salary. They get money. They bring money home. They use that money for buying grocery, paying rent, paying mortgage, paying school fee, tuition fee, your classes fee, paying for doctors. And apart from that, they try saving some money for future. Yaditi.
It's tuition free.
Tuition fee is when you, let's say, when you are taking tuitions, when you are taking classes, you are paying for it. When you go for Bharatanatyam class, some dance class, you are paying something. And also on the top of that, when you go to, let's say, college, you will have to pay fee for every semester. That is called tuition fee. Yes? Somebody has a question?
No, I was just saying college or school.
Yeah. So basically, what it means is, we get, yeah, Akshara, you're trying to say something better? No more playing with emojis, please. Yeah, Akshara.
It's nothing's accident.
It's okay, beta. Okay, so coming back to the point is, everybody's parents earn money, then plan the finances. How do I plan some money for medicine, some money for treatment, some money for education, something for eating, for rent, mortgage, and then on the top of that, they try saving it also. Because if I save the money in bank, I can use it for future when it's a bad day, bad time. Let's say somebody falls sick in the family. If you have some extra money in the bank which you have saved, that will be useful, right? So financial literacy is about knowing your finances and planning your finances. How do you look at what is your income and what is your expenditure, and how do you balance it out? See, I'm not a very rich guy. I have a small house where I'm paying the mortgage. I have a car where I put the gas, and I get grocery for running my family. But there are people who are driving Ferraris, right? They have a lot of money. So when they are driving Ferraris, that means they have a lot of money. Their finances are that way. They are probably making a lot more money than I make, right? They probably have much bigger houses, maybe multiple houses. So everybody has different level of income, and accordingly they figure out how do they spend. Let's say if somebody works in a MACD and makes $1,000 a month and then plans to buy an Audi where he or she has to pay $600 or $700 as an EMI every month. How will that person survive? Yeah.
I have an Audi.
Yeah, no, that's good. But your dad is not working in MACD, right? No, so what I'm trying to say is, it was about financial literacy, meaning you earn some money and you spend more than what you earn.
My uncle has an Audi.
I'm not interested in knowing that. I'm going to give you an example. I was saying that if your expenses are more than your earnings, you are in a problem. That is, so let's say if I ask you guys to write an essay, you all are literate, right? You'll be able to write an essay on let's say on any animal or any situation or whatever. You guys will be able to write it. If I ask somebody who has not even studied nursery and say, okay, write an essay, what will that guy do? That person is illiterate, he will mess with the essay, right? Will write some junk. Similarly, financial literacy means knowing your finances and planning it well. So you will see that, okay, if you are earning $200 a month, by no means you can spend $500 a month, correct? So it's for the person who is earning $200 a month, it's very important for him or her to know that, okay, I have only $200, how do I plan my finances for the whole month so that my earning is enough for my survival, okay? So that's where I was giving the example. If somebody is working in a MACD and making only $1,200 a month, imagine, or $1,500 a month, can that person buy a house where he or she has to pay a mortgage of $4,000 a month?
No.
No, right? You are earning $1,500 and you are trying to spend $4,000 a month. No way it's possible. And anybody who is literate or financially literate will not plan that way. Why I don't have 10 houses? Because I cannot afford them. I don't earn that much to buy 10 houses.
That would
Correct?
kind of just waste of money.
You will waste when you have it. I don't have it. Do I have enough money to buy 10 houses? No, I don't. So I know my finances that, okay, my limit is this much. So this is what I will plan. That is what is called planning, financial literacy. Now, there are different aspects to it. Whatever you earn, how much you spend, knowing that is one part of it. How do you make your investments so that you get maximum returns? Now, let's say here you guys have $500 surplus. You have $500 extra. What will you do? You just keep in the house, 500 remains 500. Put it in a bank. One bank says, I'll give you 5% interest. Meaning, after 1 year, 500 will become 525. Other bank says, I'll give you 10% interest. Meaning, if you keep the same $500 in the second bank, you will get 550 after 1 year. But that's not a lot of money. And then, somebody says, no, keeping money in bank is not a great idea. You can buy cryptocurrencies. And that increases very quickly. You put $500, it might become $1,500 or it might become $200 based on your luck. So, more risk, more reward. If you are putting in cryptocurrency, you might get more money. So, again, people look at different possibilities. Not everybody who has put $500 here.
What is cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrency is, you would have heard about Bitcoin. Have you heard of Bitcoin? Bitcoin? No, it's only for you guys.
Bitcoin something worth like a lot.
It's another form of lottery, you can say, for you guys. Okay, it's a virtual currency. Okay, you say, okay, I'm buying Bitcoin, and nobody has seen how the coin looks like. Okay, it's like a virtual money. It's like a shares. You buy something, and depending on how the market behaves, you can get more money, or you might end up losing everything that you have. It's like a gamble. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is how much you earn, how you spend, and whatever is your saving, how you invest in different saving schemes to get maximum return. You might go to bank, say, okay, fine, this is a fixed money. Put 500, I'll get 550. Wonderful, safe. You might go to a bank which says I'll give you 20% interest. So 500 will become 600 after 1 year. But you never know. That bank doesn't exist tomorrow. You put the money in the bank, tomorrow the bank has closed the shutter and disappeared. Even your 500 has become zero. So that is where knowing, planning your finances, knowing where to invest, where not to invest, where I can get maximum return, what is my earning, how much I can spend, what I can save, where I can put my money for getting maximum return, where I want to keep money for my future, where I want to keep money for unforeseen event, where I keep money, how do I plan my finances for things which is planned to come. Let's say my kids will go to college someday, where I'm keeping money for their education, higher education, right? So, I mean, there's no magic going to happen for me to get extra money, right? I have to save for it. So those are the part of financial literacy, meaning your earning, your spending, and your future expenses, and then your investments, and how do you plan for things that is going to come in future. Okay? Yep. Somebody raised question. Yeah, Diti.
Akshara's doing a little effect on her screen a little bit.
So don't do that, because that does creates disturbance for everybody. So don't do that.
I
But-
never do that.
Okay.
I promise.
No, for everybody. So what I'm saying is, financial literacy is nothing but knowing how you look at your earning, your spending, and how you want to save something for future, how you want to keep some money for unforeseen situation. Let's say I have to go to India every year once, so I have to save money for my travel. If tomorrow I have to travel 2 times, I probably would have not saved for it. If I have some emergency fund, which could be for medical or for some unforeseen event or for something which I have not planned for, I can borrow money from that fund and use that for my unplanned travel. So these are the things that you would need to understand as part of financial literacy. To begin with, this is where I would want to stop, but if you have any other questions related to this, please feel free to ask. Nihan, Aditi, anybody? Akshara, Sami, everybody's tired. Any other question on financial literacy?
No.
No questions? Okay. So the kids from the next class have joined. So Vivan, we have 2 more minutes before we start. Hang in there. We'll finish this class and then we'll start for you guys. Okay? Yeah.
Like the example you said is somebody worked, like,
Mm-hmm. Somebody worked?
like where somebody worked like a place where they're earning only $5,000 a month. What's that is called?
Salary?
What?
Are you talking about salary?
You said like there was like a place that gave you like a lot of money for.
No, so see that is not defined by me. So I would not want to. So all the kids from level 2, guys, just hang in there for 2 more minutes. I'm just wrapping up the class for the junior kids. Okay. So there are different places, different organizations, different jobs that pays you differently. There are right ways to make money and there are wrong ways to make money. I would never advise any of you to think about making the wrong ways, using the wrong ways to make money.
You mean like stealing is the wrong way to make money? Robbing and stealing and stuff
There are many more. There are many more, but don't think about those options, because bad things have bad consequences only. Yeah.
And go to jail for killing someone for okay, no.
You have to stop there actually, because that will be going in unnecessary direction and that will not help outside the syllabus.